Whoever finds my tripod lock plate gets $1. Oh, there it is. Good morning, darlings, it's Tess, and for today's video I'm gonna give you a little outfit of the day. Passion fruit yogurt, am I right?
Gerd alert!
Today I'm gonna be heading over to see a screening of Flickerfest, which is an international film festival that's held here in Sydney. Leaving the house looking like this is probably not a good idea.
No. Not at all.
I'm gonna put together an outfit of the day, style it, but yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope I can make it as aesthetically pleasing as possible.
Pretentious much?
Putting whatever I want onto my body that is colourful and sparks joy.
I'm Maria Kondo.
And go out into the world and just exist this way and try and be happy, try and be proud, try and feel beautiful.
You look beautiful.
Do you really think so?
Cross my heart you do.
So let's get going on this, and hopefully everything that I say is going to be less pretentious and unbearable than what I've just said. Alright? Cool. So before we get started on clothes, I do know that I want to wear my beautiful, lovely, beloved saddle shoes tonight. I actually have to mend the left one anyway. The tongue of it became detached from the shoe and came out, so I'll have to use my trusty super glue to try and glue it back in. But I love these. They're the only shoes I have besides Doc Martens and glittery Chelsea boots, so we're gonna go with them. Oy vey, my desk is just permanently covered in crap. There we go, the operating theatre is clear.
Good!
Ooh, I think that's done it. Looks like it has. While we're on the shoe level, I may as well figure out what socks I want to wear with these. There, a little more light.
Let me shine a little light on the situation.
Ice creams, glasses, stripes, peacock pattern, cherries, warm tone flowers, translucent purple flowers. I have mood swings, bananas, cool tone flowers, rainbow stripes, translucent parrots, watermelon, Bride of Frankenstein. Yes, we all know she should be called Bride of Frankenstein's monster, but that's a long title for a 1930s horror movie. Speaking of Frankenstein, remember that time a 19-year-old girl invented science fiction because she wrote it?
So I would prefer to be Mary Shelley. She died a widow.
I love throwing that fact at misogynists. Lol, I'd say comment down below your favourite pair, but
nobody watches these videos, so
Whine, meow, meow, meow.
Nah, I love these, but I'm feeling positive vibes today rather than true but self-deprecating vibes. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Woo! Alright.
hooray for being 24 years old and still using a kid's nursery rhyme to make a decision.
Well, let's put a jam on, why don't we, darlings? Tell you what, I might actually go with this one, which is my Beast of the Southern Wild t-shirt. Yeah. I really want to wear this absolutely stunning shirt that was my mum's days here in Sydney. So let's lay out the fit. These shorts are French Connection UK, and then this shirt, it's from the website Redbubble, which takes independent artworks and prints them on pretty much anything you could ever want, like a t-shirt. This is an amazing quote monologue from one of my absolute favourite films, Beast of the Southern Wild.
And it all goes quiet behind my eyes. I see everything that made me. Once there was a hush puppy, and she lived with her daddy in the bathtub.
Oh, we'd love magical realism in this economy. And to complete the picture, here is my mother's shirt. I really like for this outfit to be balanced between a regular brand, a independent piece, and a hand-me-down. The long necklace that's in here, hot air balloon. I think I might actually wear this. I don't wear it that often, and it is so beautiful, like it's enamel. And then, should I wear two necklaces?
What a stupid question!
Colors of this one kind of match with, you know, there's a bit of brown in this necklace and everything, so I'm just gonna go with this actually. And then for a bracelet, I think I already know which one I want. Another piece that my mum got for me. She knows my style very well. It is my favorite bracelet made of old typewriter keys. Now, I've already got a lot here, so maybe just one ring.
One ring.
Because we've kind of got a gold and brown theme going, I'm gonna go with this gold ring, which I inherited from my grandmother. Sydney needs less humidity, like America needs less of their current president. And by that I mean they need none of their current president. She's alright, she's out of sight. Hi, I'm an alien. Why am I like this? Wow, normally it takes about 8 years to fasten this bracelet and I have to cry and have someone else help me.
Can I help you?
My hair really does practically glow in the dark when it's fresh, dyed, and clean. Oh well, it's the source of all my power.
I have the power.
I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and comment down below if you did, and remember to subscribe for more outfits of the day from me and also for more colour and joyfulness in general, like I always say. And remember, I love you, keep going.